What do we do? So we do recruitment using machine learning. We've been doing various products in the recruitment space for a bit, CRMs, like slightly more clever recruitment software, and now we're doing even more clever recruitment software, and we've rebranded ourselves as octavia.ai. Because we do machine learning, have to be like Alexa and stuff. So I'll talk a little bit about our product. So what's our aim? Our aim is to create the best recruitment system for finding, sourcing, and ranking candidates. So the problem is, as a recruiter, you get a job. You have an enormous amount of people in your database. You have an enormous amount of people on the web you know about in your notebooks. And you want to find the top 50, top 40 candidates to start focusing on in order to send out a top 5 back to your client, to the company. You might have 80, 90, 100, 200,000 CVs in your database. You type in Java developer, you get 20,000 back. It's a long search. You start doing another complicated Boolean search, but not if this keyword, but if this keyword, and you start stepping through. The idea is to take away that process. So instead of spending 3 hours searching your database, we will deliver you your top 50 shortlist in a few seconds. You just start stepping through them, calling the ones you want. Job done, shortlist. So you can focus on the candidate, the client, not the Boolean searches. So, this is from our pitch deck. It's a little vague. So what's the idea? We have multiple data sources on the left. Your CRM, where you have CVs, you have placement history. Your what we call research. I'll come back to that. That's our research tool that lives within our browser. We do our CRM. We also do a standalone product that you can put in your browser. And as you're searching the internet, you're building up a small CRM outside your normal CRM. So as you're searching through the internet here, you'll go out, you'll see, oh, you're looking at this LinkedIn candidate, we'll go out and find the information on the web about his social profiles, etc. More information. All this information we feed into Octavia, our machine learning model that constantly trains, constantly learns from what's going on with your CRM, the placements you're making, people getting rejected, and the information you're looking at on the internet. Then eventually, when you get a job spec, you pass it into Octavia, and it thinks. Got some clever stuff on the right, and it spits out your candidate shortlist. The idea being that this is an ongoing loop all the time learning. As you're putting in data, we're constantly adjusting our models to your population of CVs. Now, it's going to get a bit more technical. So how does the Octavia thing work? So we are using a variety of different methods in the machine learning space. At the very core, we use old school statistical machine learning models. It's called LDA. It's like a particular generative model for looking at text documents. We use these at a very large scale on a whole CV population plus our own CV population. We build up a very large model across many CVs. We're constantly training this model in a sort of reinforcement loop. So we're constantly adjusting hyperparameters to the placements you're making, how you're placing people. So we learn all the time from the people you're placing, the people you're getting rejected, the people you don't like. We do some neural networks, some standard NLP stuff on each individual CV. So we'll figure out, looking at each candidate, we'll figure out how long you've been in your current job, what's your typical patterns. So this is all down to NLP techniques. We're using some neural nets to extract the features of a CV. Because you can come up with all these crazy regular expression rules, but we mix them up with some neural networks as well. Extracting skills, like if you've been in a job less than 6 months, we'll downrate you. If you typically don't move jobs, we downrate you. If you change jobs every 18 months, and you're about to come around to that cycle, we upgrade your rate. We look at your typical way the skills you're applying in your current job versus old jobs, etc. So this takes away standard keyword searching as well, makes it more weight. And then we do a little bit of neural nets on the entire CV population, where we're extracting features which are not based on single words, but on paragraphs and sentences. All of this feeds in to a little boosting that takes all of this, weights them a bit. These are several models, several inputs coming in here, and this is constantly learning as well. essentially your placements and placements we have in our database. So an example. Let's say I want to find my best friend. I go to the internet, I type in best friend, back home, there's a page. The first page in Google shows this, the definition of a best friend. So this is my job spec, I want to find a new best friend. I start searching through the internet. Go into LinkedIn, go into GitHub, go into Stack Overflow, go into job boards for some reason. Looking for my best friend. As I'm doing this, we're sitting here, learning, seeing what you're looking at, going in the back end, going out, finding more information about the people you're looking at, people you're interested in. This is just how it looks on a little plugin. You can tag people, put big data and great guy on this guy. Have a chat, what a legend. But so it keeps learning, building up our model in the back end. Now it takes you a while, and you can write the notes every time you're visiting someone. You can rank them on. Now I like this guy more. Or as you've visited thousands of people, we now have, and we put in the data we have, we now have a sufficient model to actually rank and find your best friend. So I go to Octavia, plug in my blog about best friend, and it comes out with this. So this apparently is my best friend now, Alex. I visited Alex, who's NO, and Octavia came out and said he was 74. It will also give us reasons, I didn't put on here, but give us reason to why you selected him as your best friend. Probably didn't score that well, he's way down, 60% is my new best friend. So I found my new best friend. The point I'm trying to make is, it works for job specs, but it works for a lot of things. So where are we going in the future? Well, we're refining our models to particular recruitment sectors, but more importantly, recruitment is just a sales tool. Instead of my best friends, I could improve my ideal customer. I could improve my ideal customer not as a big text block, but through a series of questions that, odd, I don't want to use a hype word, but that the machine is asking you. As you're refining your ideal customer, you build up the description in the back end. We then apply to all your sales leads, every sales lead you've ever seen, every sales lead we've ever seen, and we can spit out your top sales lead to contact as a B2B salesperson. We want to integrate this with major CRMs. So at the moment, we're relying on our data gathering and our data collection of names. We want to plug it in, we're going to plug it in with Salesforce and a few other CRMs. So if you already have Salesforce, you build up a massive lead database, you actually bought a lot of leads up providers. As a B2B salesperson, we'll take that, we'll enrich it with data from the internet, and we'll give you the top leads to call that day. And we're working with a couple of people on this as well. So, that was my pitch. And the evening's over, and congratulations, you made it this far. So, if there's any questions, Octavia?
Yeah. So obviously you do B2B stuff. Have you considered connecting with the public sector, so local government and some of the other organisations that are responsible for driving growth and skills within areas who are desperate for information about where skills are and where jobs are, so that they can do things like design transport networks and seed companies and organisations within specific areas to support the local population?
I think that's more of a big data problem. There are companies that do scrape job boards, both for applicants but also for jobs that are coming online. Scrape company websites, and you can sell that data to government saying this area, this particular location is happening in this sector. But yeah, it's not. We do data gathering, but different in your visiting things. Not that kind of stuff. It's been a couple of people. Yep.
The open notes section where a user could just input the notes, is that actually in live? And if so, like, how do you actually normalize that? Because obviously it's quite free reign, and how does the machine deal with kind of a free reign open text?
In general, we deal with all of our stuff gets normalized or put together into free range text before we even work on it. So we move off all the anything, and we just work on raw text, which we then actually, as we visit different things, we just append it to a massive text block about each person, and we use that for our analysis.
Do you think you'll move to just having like standardized kind of drop downs for like great guy or like nice fella or whatever you want to say about the guy, rather than leaving it free form because
Yeah.
become too open to.
Maybe if we're going to use those kind of tags more, we don't actually use them. It's just a way of you maintaining a short list. So when you want to do your ranking, you can slice it down to the people you already said were a great guy. Right. Well,
Sorry, so you said about looking at the CVs and removing the keywords to look at other metrics. But in your main model, you're taking the specification, I assume, from the job sites. So as someone who's looked at job site specifications before, they ask some really ridiculous things like 20 years experience in a brand new technology. So do you do any analysis on their specs?
oh, as in the job description.
Yeah.
Spec. We do a little bit. So we'll do a little bit as we do on the. We look at the companies who worked in. That's just standard NLP. We can slice a document, job, like CV, into like these different jobs you've done, the period you've done them, so we can relate that back to.
But do you do that to the spec that you're given from the company?
Not really at the moment, no. So we won't do the same on the spec to find relationship there. We just look more at.
Because that's basically garbage in, garbage out. So it's.
Yeah, so I mean, it's not a huge thing, as in we can just turn the same technique onto the job spec a bit on finding that feature, and then that will become a filter. It's a filter, right, on top of it.
I think the point is that if you put a crap job spec in, you're not necessarily going to get great data out. But
No, yes, that's
part of the beauty of this is that you get an instant feedback then, because you can have a look at the top 5 candidates. I mean, if you're a crap recruiter,
Yeah, so
you're a crap recruiter, right? It's not going to help you. But if you're a decent recruiter or a good recruiter, it's going to make your life a huge amount easier, because you're like, all right, this isn't the right information for the job spec because these aren't the right guys. It gives you like an instant feedback loop. But yeah, we're not here to provide awful recruiters with magic. We want to make recruitment better for everybody as well as contributors.
Yeah. But yeah.
I'd be kind of curious to know, with like candidates who perhaps have a different format for like a CV, are there differences? So if sort of here you've got in the UK like a certain kind of standard to the CV or to presenting kind of your credentials, does it differ if you've got candidates that are
My CV's in MS Paint.
You're fired!
Or maybe it's in Genius, right?
Well, there is a bit. I mean, some people do horrendous formatting, as in they'll put it in weird footers and headers, and like you get a PDF where it's just like weird. So when you just pass it to text, you have no idea. Like it just comes out. Or yeah, they embed their name and their phone numbers and stuff in footers and headers of MS Word or whatever. So when you pass that to text, it just looks really weird. We do have some of that where I think we almost say, and then they're just like, it's just a raw CV. It's their fault. We could do it better, but that's more like text passing issues where we just we'd be a bit nonchalant. Maybe just like,
It's not a perfect solution for everything. It should solve 99%.
PDF does some really weird things with text fields.
It really does.
yeah, if you do like tables and stuff.
Well, even simple stuff, it miniaturises all the text and it messes it. Oh.
So yeah, there's a lot you can do there. Make that nice.
We're pretty good at getting text out of PDFs, but there's a limit.
Right. Yeah.
Someone told me that a CV should only be 1 page, but I don't think that's true, because if the AI is picking it out, surely the more words the better.
CV. Oh yeah, I mean for us it doesn't matter how long it better to be longer actually, we get more context. We get a better idea. Especially when I like apply for a job where it's not a skills-based job, but like it works best if it's a weak, let's say weak job. What I mean is weak in terms of skills, so it's hard to define job, so it's like a soft job. Skills jobs are much easier, you can actually do skill search. Like if you look for Java developer and these technologies, you can just search for that database. But if you're looking for a HR officer or a salesperson with these skills, it's much better to build a like topic model like we do, and then look at the topic modeling of the CV and get a much nicer. But anyway, I don't think you think that was the question. Yeah, okay. Well, thank you very much, guys, for coming out tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it very much. Hope you enjoyed the pizza. The sponsor provided. If someone's hungry, there's still a little bit left. I don't think there's like a pizza and a half or something. And there's a bit more drinks as well. And just people can just hang out and chat and talk about machine learning and stuff. And life. Yeah, thanks for coming out.